Hi, this is Grover with Blue Collar Codes, the quick and dirty. Do you want to learn some Python without having to wade through all the technical BS first? Sounds great. Join me next for downloading Python and getting a script to run on two different programs. So the first thing we're going to do is go to python.org and download Python. If you're a Windows user, you can simply click here to download and install. Else, you go to View Full List of Downloads and choose a different operating system. After that, we're going to go to download two different IDEs. PyCharm is one. You want to go to download here and avoid the professional version because it's a pay-for version. So we're going to go to Other Versions, and then you download the one appropriate for your operating system. Next, we'll go to VS Code or Visual Studio Code and either download the one for Windows or download the one appropriate for your operating system. I usually like to do a custom installation. You do want to add it to the path. And then I like to choose the location of where the library is installed. So I already created a folder where I store my libraries called Python 3.13.1. And that is the version that is being installed. So now I would install. So this most likely is how your splash screen is going to look when you first open PyCharm, except you won't have any projects. You'll click New Project, change the name, choose the location, and I would recommend creating a custom environment, choosing Virtual Env, and then finding your base interpreter you just downloaded, basically the version of Python, and you find the executable, and click Create. From here, you right-click on the top level, New Python file, name it what you will, and then you can copy this code, run the test, and then there you go. That's your first Python program. Now we're going to do VS Code. So when you first open VS Code, you most likely will see at least something similar to just this area. You won't have any recents, and you might not have anything up here because these are based on any of the extensions you may have downloaded. So first, without doing anything, what I would do is go over to the extensions and type in Python. And then you're going to want to just get the regular Python extension, and you should know it's the right one based on how many downloads it has, 152.9 as of right now. So you download that extension, it automatically installs, and then you can go to create a new file, and then you have the option of Python right here. So you do test.py. It'll want to save it somewhere, so you don't necessarily even have to do that. You can just click this and it'll automatically create. And then do the same code, run it with this button here, and there you go. That was the quick and dirty on getting started with Python. You downloaded Python and you ran a quick script on PyCharm and VS Code. Join me next time for a bit more into the nitty-gritty details of the Python code itself.